So here's how to fix Steam no connection error. So first, the solution we can do is try to completely exit out of Steam and then restart it as admin. You can simply right click and close Steam and also open the task manager and search for Steam and then end task for Steam, and it should close all the other processes. Then you can simply close the task manager and search for Steam, right click run as admin, and that should start loading Steam again as an admin. Now when Steam loads up, try again and see if it works and it fixes your connection problems. Now if it don't, what you can do is you can go to Steam up here on the right, on the left top corner, and go to settings, and now you'll simply need to scroll down to downloads and then scroll down till you see clear download cache, as clearing this cache can resolve issues with downloading or starting apps. So you can click on clear and that should log you out of Steam and ask you to log back in. So I'm going to confirm and wait for it to restart Steam. And then you'll simply need to click on your account and wait for it to log in. Now once Steam opens up, you can try to launch your games and that should fix the problem. Now if it still doesn't, that might be a problem with your router or modem. So try restarting your router or modem and that should generally fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.